Hi, this is Babu sir from Babu sir's group tuition. Today we'll be learning bio. We'll be talking about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, their functions. What is carbohydrates? What is their composition? In what way we consume carbohydrates? And how are carbohydrates digested in our body? So first we'll try to know what is carbohydrates. So we'll try to spell it CARB. So if you see CARB and you put ON, then it is carbon. So carbohydrates means first it is carbon. O. O relates to oxygen. Hydrates relates to hydrogen. So carbohydrates is nothing but three things, that is carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. That means suppose if we are eating rice, we are eating these three things. We are eating carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now when I was not knowing this, and when many people also don't know this, they think अरे राइस कुछ तो और ही है, ये थोड़ी ऑक्सीजन है. It is not oxygen. It is not hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas. Oxygen is a gas. And how can rice have all these things? So everything is made by elements of nature. You can see this. This is a plant, leaf. Leaf is taking in from the atmosphere CO2, from the ground H2O. So these are the two raw materials which the leaf gets. So what does it prepare from it? It prepares C6H12O6. C6H12O6 is nothing but glucose. Glucose is carbohydrates. So plant is not a magical thing that it is preparing. Suppose if it is preparing apple, so it is having something else. It is only C, H, O and some other elements. So whatever carbohydrates that we are eating, it might be in rice, it might be in potato, it might be in other foodstuffs. All these things are only three things. It is carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. So what is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is nothing but carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This is what we are eating. Now we'll relate to some other things. Types of carbohydrates. Now everything is made, mostly human body is made up of cells. So other chemicals, if you take carbohydrates, proteins, fats, or any other chemical, if you take any food stuff, if you take, are made up of some combination of molecules. So as we learned, the first thing is C6H12O6. This is your first element, that is glucose. This is simple carbohydrates. This is simple carbohydrates, सबसे smallest thing. If you break this, then you will get carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So the simplest form of carbohydrates is glucose. We hear most of the time, glucon CP, glucon DPO. This gives you instant energy. अभी पिया, अभी ताकत आ गया. In a running race, in some sports event, if someone is tired or someone has fallen down, so they'll give you, अरे चलो energy drink पियो. So energy drink is nothing but glucose. So the simplest form of carbohydrates is glucose. So if you take glucose, what is glucose? Glucose is only one molecule. I'll write G here. It is only one molecule. C6H12O6 का one molecule is glucose. Now we only hear glucose, glucose, glucose. But in reality, there are two more simple elements of carbohydrates. That is fructose. For fructose, we will put F here. This is the simplest form, and our body can only absorb the simplest form. You cannot, our body doesn't allow complex things to get absorbed. You have to make it simple. Then only our body can absorb. So the third form of carbohydrates is galactose. We'll write, see G and G both look same. So we'll write here G, L also it looks same, Ga we'll write. So this looks galactose. And for G, glucose we'll write Gl. So these are the very simplest form of carbohydrates. Only these three things our body can absorb. Other carbohydrates our body cannot absorb it. So this is single. Whatever is single, see you hear music. So they tell you music is stereophonic. Stereophonic means two different speakers in your ears will give you two different effects. यहाँ से कुछ अलग म्यूजिक आएगा, यहाँ से कुछ अलग म्यूजिक आएगा. So there are two things. If they tell you this is a mono thing, mono means both the speakers you will get only one sound. Mono means one. So mono means a single thing is called mono. So here you can see all these three things are single. तो सिंगल को हम लोग मोनो बोलेंगे. Monosaccharides. So these are single saccharides. Single मीन्स वन, सिर्फ एक ही है, एंड दिस इज वॉट अवर बॉडी कैन एब्जॉर्ब. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स? अगेन कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. This is one form. So second form is, see, this is mono. Second you will get di. Di means two. Mono is single. Di means two. So when you get a carbohydrate which is having two molecules, this is called disaccharide. So disaccharide is nothing but two molecules, and you must be imagining that अरे two glucose होगा या तो कुछ होगा. It is not like that. I'll be explaining you the proper things कि भाई what is what. So first sugar you get from your whatever you have tasted, might be the milk. बचपन में हम लोग ने in your childhood times you have tasted milk. Now you will tell अरे milk is flat. Milk is not sweet. But milk is sweet because it contains glucose, and glucose is sweet. Fructose is sweet. Galactose is sweet. This is all three things which is related to carbohydrates. So suppose if you are having two things, so two means di. So we'll start with the first thing that you had. So first thing is Gl and Ga. You can see it is a combination of glucose and galactose. You are having three things. You are having three things. You are having glucose, fructose and galactose. So now if the combination is of glucose and galactose, this is the first thing that you must have tasted. That is called milk sugar. Milk sugar is called lactose. If you go to a medical store or if you ask for children's milk powder, so you will get lactogen. Lactogen is nothing but it is lactose, it is milk sugar. It is a combination of two monosaccharides, that is glucose and galactose. Suppose if you have a combination of glucose and again glucose, both are glucose only. See, disaccharide means there will be two molecules combined. If the two molecules are glucose and glucose, both are glucose, then it is maltose. So maltose is a combination of glucose and glucose. It is there in malt. It is there in starch. So mostly when you have malt or you have starch, it is a combination of glucose and glucose. Disaccharide. तो मिल्क रहेगा, तो मिल्क इज लैक्टोज विच इज हैविंग lactose, galactose, lactose, galactose. See, lactose, galactose. So you come to know, galactose, lactose. And if it is glucose and glucose, then it is maltose. Third thing, if you have a combination of glucose and fructose, if you have this combination, then it is sucrose. Now what is sucrose? Sucrose is what you get from sugarcane. This is also called table salt. Sucrose, glucose is not salt, glucose is sugar. So you call it table sugar. अब टेबल शुगर क्या हो गया? जो हम लोग टेबल के ऊपर what we have sugar is called table sugar, and table sugar is nothing but those white sugar that you have every time. Best is, this is for health purpose that I am telling, that you should not consume white sugar. It is harmful for the body because it is made by some processes. So you can have natural sugar. Natural sugar is what you get, the sugar which is golden in color. So let's discuss it later. So these are the three types of disaccharide. Disaccharide is two monosaccharides. So monosaccharides we are having three types. We are having glucose, galactose and fructose. So if we have a combination, we can have glucose, we can have glucose with galactose, we can have glucose with fructose. Everything must have glucose. So these are the three disaccharides. Then if you calculate, we are having oligosaccharides, but we will not be studying oligosaccharides. Because it is mostly not there in the children's syllabus. Oligosaccharides are 3 to 10 sugars. So I will mark with some other pen. So these are oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides this is having 3 to 10 molecules. Molecules can be combination of glucose, fructose and galactose. Oligosaccharides. But we will be not studying this part. And there are many other types of glucose also. So broadly speaking, broadly means what you have to study for your exams are monosaccharides. This is the first thing that you have to study. Monosaccharides means this is what your body needs. If you consume something else, it has to break down into these three things. If it gets break down, so breaking down requires enzymes. So with the enzymes, the disaccharide, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, they break up. And at last, they become monosaccharides. That is glucose, fructose and galactose. This is what your body can absorb. Other things your body cannot absorb. That is why whatever you eat has to be digested properly. After digestion, it comes into monosaccharides, where your small intestine, the villi, can absorb it very easily, and it can send to all the cells to produce energy. So monosaccharides, only one molecule of glucose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharide is two molecules. So it is a combination of glucose and galactose is lactose. Combination of glucose and glucose is maltose. Combination of glucose and fructose is sucrose. Oligosaccharides will be just reading as it is, but it is not there for your syllabus. So let it be oligosaccharides 3 to 10 molecules. This video I have specially made for Cambridge University IGCSE. IGCSE portion is where you have to understand things much deeply. So the more you understand it properly, learning becomes fun. You think, "Arey, I am eating carbohydrates, I am eating carbon, I am eating hydrogen. Acha, this is lactose. In my breakfast today morning, I was having maltose, I was having sucrose." So mummy will tell, pass on the sugar, you will tell, pass on the sucrose. Table sugar. Table sugar is made up of sugarcane. Then there is a bomb of huge number of glucose. You might have thousands in it. This is a bomb of huge number of glucose. This I have drawn very limited, but this can be thousands. This can be more than that. So whatever is in very big amount, we call it polysaccharides. Polysaccharide means it is in huge amount, large number of sugars, बहुत सारे ग्लूकोज, बहुत सारे गैलेक्टो, बहुत सारे fructose, many and many. So you call it polysaccharides. In geometry also, if it is a triangle, if it is a rectangle, if it is more than that, you call it polygon. Polygon can be 10-sided, polygon can be 50-sided, polygon can be 100-sided. So whatever is more, so you call it polygon. So in the same way, whatever is more, whatever is 1, you call mono, whatever is 2, you call di. If it is 3, you call tri. If it is 5, you call pent. If it is many, and you don't know how many it is, you call it poly. So in your body, polysaccharides are there in the form of starch, rice. So whenever you are eating rice, so you are eating something sweet, but you will tell, "Arey, rice to sweet hai nahi." So you keep it in your mouth for some time. Let the rice break. Let it break properly. So what will happen? The rice will convert into glucose, and slowly the rice in your mouth will become sweet. You will think, "Arey, rice to sweet kaise ho?" How it is getting sweet? Because rice is broken by enzymes. And after breaking into enzymes, after breaking by enzymes, amylase, rice will get converted to glucose. But in your mouth, rice gets converted to maltose. Then afterwards, in your intestine, it will get converted into glucose. So rice in your mouth, if you keep it, it is starch. So as you go on biting it, slowly, because of the enzyme amylase, your rice will start becoming sweeter and sweeter. So polysaccharide, first thing is starch. And polysaccharide is also there in your liver, where it is stored for some time in the form of glycogen. So, what is polysaccharide? Polysaccharide is a bomb of glucose, fructose, galactose. So, these are very rich in vitamins and minerals. So, that is a polysaccharide. So, when we see, if it is one, it is monosaccharide, and monosaccharide we have already studied. Monosaccharide is these three things: glucose, fructose and galactose. It is only one molecule of carbohydrates, and if you have two molecules, it is a disaccharide. If you are consuming milk, milk is also having sugar. Milk sugar is called lactose. If you are having starch, it is having maltose. If you are having sugarcane juice, it is having glucose and fructose, table sugar. If you are having a bomb of glucose, that is polysaccharide. So, we consume polysaccharide in the form of starch, in the form of fruits, milk and other different things which are having the same thing, which are having this carbohydrates, plus it has some many other things also. It might have proteins, it might have vitamins, it might have many other things. अरे milk is a combination of many things. अरे कैल्शियम भी है उसके अंदर, प्रोटीन्स भी है. मिल्क पिएगा तो ये बढ़ेगा, मिल्क पिएगा तो हमको विटामिन्स मिलेगा, सब मिलेगा. बट मिल्क में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी है. Now, why do we consume carbohydrates? So, carbohydrates में सबसे first thing is our body is an engine. Our body is an engine. और इंजन को चाहिए पेट्रोल. अब पेट्रोल डालोगे, if you put petrol, then only the body will run. So, petrol, where it will come from? So, petrol is nothing but your body petrol is carbohydrates. So, whenever you require energy, you have to consume carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, if you consume glucose, अरे Glucon D, wave just mix one glass and drink. So you will get instant energy. Immediate you will get energy. Why? Because your body can absorb glucose and you are consuming direct glucose. When you can consume direct glucose, you will get instant energy. Instant energy, you can use it for your energy requirements of your body. And why a body requires energy? Or a respiration, energy requirement. I am talking now, I require energy. My mind is working, my mind requires energy. My heart is working, it requires energy. Now where will that energy come from? Energy will come from cells. But what will the cells require? The cell will require something, that is petrol. Now what is that petrol? Petrol is nothing but you have to feed your body with carbohydrates. When you feed your body with carbohydrates, your body will get energy. Now, suppose if you eat starch, what it does? It is a slow release of energy. Starch is a slow release of energy. So your body will get energy, but it will get energy slowly. So suppose if you have something at 9 o'clock in the morning, you will get might be 3-4 hours tak, you will get slow energy. But glucose if you consume at 9 o'clock, 9:15 khatam ho gaya ho. Because it is instant. Fatafat aaya and fatafat gone. But starch is a slow release of energy. So morning if you get up, suppose you can have little starch. So what will happen? Suppose if you get up, might be 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:15, 7:30, eat some starch. So it will give you energy slowly till you eat your breakfast. So your body requires petrol. Petrol means your body is like an engine. It doesn't works on, you don't supply some current or something to it that it will work automatically. Your PC is running because you are supplying current to it. Your mobile is running because it is having a battery inside. So battery is giving energy. Your body is not having any battery inside. So your body is having cells inside which can produce energy, but for producing energy it requires carbohydrates. So carbohydrates is the first thing that your body wants to prepare energy. If your body gets carbohydrates, it will prepare energy instantly. Glucose है तो fast, starch है तो slow, but it will give you energy slowly. So, how much energy do you get? So, if you consume 1 gram, it will give you 4 kilocalories of energy. So, that is what energy you get. So, give your body sufficient carbohydrates. But what do? We just go on eating. अरे क्या मालूम what to eat and what not to eat, so we eat everything. We go on eating excess also. But you should always know that you eat each and everything in your diet, a balanced diet. Carbohydrates you require for energy, proteins you require for bodybuilding, fats you require for some other purposes. Your nerves, outer structure is made up of fats. Your body is having fats in many parts, which acts like a pad. Otherwise, suppose if someone hits you on the stomach, food will come out. So just above your stomach there is some fats. Behind, if you see, there is your kidneys, but around your kidneys there is fats. Otherwise, if someone will poke something behind, your kidney will get damaged. So fats give you cushion. But right now we are not talking about fats. Right now we are studying about carbohydrates. So carbohydrates means you get instant source of energy. Now what? Now suppose if you eat more carbohydrates. If you are eating more carbohydrates, that means if you do exercise and all that, it is okay. You require energy. अरे मैंने खाया carbohydrates and I am exercising, so your carbohydrates is already used. But if you are eating excess, your body will keep some carbohydrates. It will save some. Why it will save some? For emergency. It will save some for your emergency. कि अचानक I require carbohydrates, suddenly I require carbohydrates, where will I get it from? So it will save some energy in your liver in the form of glycogen. If your body requires energy suddenly, so they will just take that glycogen and convert it into glucose and you will get instant energy. So and remaining it will get converted to fats. Now what are fats? Fats is also CHNO, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But the formula is different. So if you eat excess carbohydrates, what will happen? If you eat more rice, so you will get fat. Why you are getting fat? Because whatever rice is required by your body is taking it. Now the remaining rice, where it will go? So remaining rice will get converted into fats and it will stay in your body. Fat stays in your body. Carbohydrates, they cannot stay in your body. It has to go out. So it will convert it to something else. So it will convert it to glycogen. Now your body requires very less glycogen. So remaining, what will happen? Remaining, it will get converted into fats. So you are eating carbohydrates, 3 types of mono, 3 types of di and poly. If you eat poly, it has to convert into di has to convert into mono is absorbed by body. Mono, if it is excess, it will get converted to glycogen. Still excess, then it will get converted to fats, and fats will stay in your body. It will stay in your body for a long time and you will get fat. And then might be after some time, I am getting fat, so you have to do exercise, then that fat will get break down and again convert into glucose and then you will use it. So whenever your body is hungry and you don't give it carbohydrates, your body will search for it in your savings. तो सेविंग किधर है? सेविंग साइड में फैट्स भरा हुआ है. So you just take that fat, the body will take that fat and then it will use it. Next part is, how does carbohydrates gets digested? If you eat poly, what will happen to it? So carbohydrates are digested at 3 places. Carbohydrates are digested at 3 places. First is, it is in your mouth. Mouth में, if you consume starch, then it will be acted by amylase. Amylase is an enzyme. Enzyme will break that starch and it will convert into maltose. So whenever you are eating something, someone will tell you, hey, bite properly and eat. Don't just gulp it. So why they tell you like that? They tell you like that because your mouth is having saliva. So it is having saliva So it is salivary amylase. Amylase in saliva. So when you are eating something, rice, so rice is broken by an enzyme which is present in your saliva, and that enzyme is amylase. And you will get maltose. Now sometimes what happens, I have not eaten properly. I was seeing TV and just it went inside. So second place is your intestine, the small intestine. Now here again, if some starch is left, there, but this guy has not eaten, he has not bitten properly or whatever it is. So it will, that process has to be completed somewhere. So again your body has an organ called pancreas. So pancreas will again give you amylase. So that amylase is called pancreatic amylase. So pancreatic amylase means what? Amylase coming from the pancreas. And what will amylase do? It will do the same thing. So what it will do? It will convert starch into maltose. What it has done before. So it will do the same thing again. But your body doesn't want maltose, it wants glucose. So what will happen? Third thing, from your intestinal walls, again a juice will come out, which is called intestinal juice. And that juice will convert maltose to glucose. Now this glucose your body can absorb. Now to convert this, the juice is an enzyme again. क्योंकि breaking down, always breaking down will be done by an enzyme. So this enzyme is called maltase. So what will maltase do? Maltase will convert your maltose to glucose. And now this glucose can be easily absorbed by your body. For what purpose? For energy purpose. So, basic element, why you require carbohydrates is for energy. Your body breaks down carbohydrates in three ways. First is in your mouth, where amylase comes and breaks starch to maltose. If something is left, then it will be done in the intestine, where you will get amylase from pancreas, which will convert starch to maltose. And whatever maltose is there, I told you, you don't require maltose, you require glucose. So another enzyme will come, maltase, and it will convert the maltose into glucose. This can be absorbed by your body and energy production can be done. So this I have particularly explained the process of digestion of carbohydrates, what carbohydrates are, what it contains, why our body requires it. This is specially for the IGCSE section, plus it is for the other boards also. Someone wants to know what happens when, what happens here, what happens there. So you can understand how your body reacts, how your body works. For reaction, you require neurons. For working, you require energy. So carbohydrates gives energy to your body. So we'll end this session. Thank you for watching this video. I am Babu sir. I'll be putting more videos for you, more concepts to be understood, more things, and I request all the students, the best thing is you should question why this happens, why that happens, and you should be vigilant. You must ask questions. You must not just read it, array, if it is written like that, it is like that. No, no, why this is happening, why that is happening. So when you be vigilant, when you think about other things, when you try to discover something, then you will feel like studying more and more, getting into more depth and understanding the concepts more better. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye. Have a good day.